For homeowners in Loves Park, maintaining a comfortable indoor environment while managing energy costs is a year-round concern. With cold winters, warm summers, and seasonal temperature swings, even small inefficiencies can lead to higher utility bills. One often overlooked source of energy loss is the entry door. Aging or poorly insulated doors allow air leaks that force heating and cooling systems to work harder. Installing new energy-efficient entry doors is a practical upgrade that significantly improves comfort and efficiency in Loves Park properties. Here's how new entry doors help reduce energy waste and enhance everyday living. Reducing air leaks and drafts. Older entry doors commonly develop gaps around the frame, threshold, and weather stripping. These openings allow cold air to enter during winter and conditioned air to escape during summer. New entry doors are designed with tight-fitting frames, advanced weather stripping, precision thresholds. These features seal the home more effectively, preventing drafts and reducing energy loss. Insulated door cores improve thermal performance. Modern entry doors are built with insulated cores that slow heat transfer between indoor and outdoor environments. Insulated doors help keep warm air inside during cold months, reduce heat infiltration during summer, maintain more consistent indoor temperatures. This thermal barrier makes a noticeable difference in energy efficiency, supporting HVAC efficiency and lower utility bills. When entry doors are properly insulated and sealed, heating and cooling systems don't have to compensate for air leaks. Homeowners often experience reduced energy consumption, lower monthly heating and cooling costs, less strain on HVAC equipment over time. These savings help offset the cost of the door upgrade. Eliminating cold spots near entryways. Drafty doors often create uncomfortable cold spots in entryways and adjacent rooms. New doors help regulate temperatures more evenly. Benefits include improved comfort near doors, more usable living space, balanced indoor temperatures. This makes everyday living more comfortable for families. Advanced weather stripping protects against seasonal changes. Loves Park properties are exposed to fluctuating temperatures and wind throughout the year. New entry doors include weather stripping designed to maintain a tight seal through seasonal changes. High-quality weather stripping compresses evenly when the door closes, resists wear and cracking, maintains effectiveness over time. This ensures consistent energy performance year-round. Energy-efficient glass options enhance performance. Many entry doors include decorative or functional glass inserts. Modern energy-efficient doors use insulated, low-E glass to maintain performance. These glass features reduce heat transfer, allow natural light without energy loss, improve overall door efficiency. Homeowners can enjoy style without sacrificing efficiency. Durable materials designed for local climate. New entry doors are available in materials designed to handle Loves Park's climate conditions. Common energy-efficient options include fiberglass doors with insulated core, steel doors with thermal breaks, composite materials built for durability. These materials maintain performance through seasonal changes. Professional installation maximizes energy benefits. Even the best energy-efficient door requires proper installation to perform as intended. Professional installation ensures accurate alignment, secure sealing around the frame, correct threshold placement. This prevents air leaks and preserves efficiency. Increased home value and buyer appeal. Energy-efficient upgrades are attractive to buyers. New entry doors signal a well-maintained, efficient home. They enhance curb appeal, improve resale value, appeal to energy-conscious buyers. A smart energy upgrade for Loves Park homes. New entry doors offer Loves Park homeowners an effective way to improve energy efficiency, comfort, and home value. By reducing drafts, improving insulation, and supporting HVAC efficiency, these doors deliver long-term savings and year-round comfort. For homeowners seeking a practical upgrade with lasting benefits, installing new energy-efficient entry doors is a smart investment that pays off in both comfort and efficiency.